Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a memo board using one of the 10 boards from Dollar Tree. Okay, so start off by taking a ruler, and this is optional, but you'll take your ruler and you're going to prepare a line on the top of your board. After you have prepared that line, you'll just go ahead and paint that top section of your board. Be sure to allow the paint to completely dry. I'm just using a heating tool here to help with the drying process. Okay, so once the first coat of paint is completely dry, you'll go ahead and apply a second layer of paint. Okay, so now we're ready to apply the rub-on transfers. So what I'm doing here is I'm just taking my scissors and I'm cutting out the sections that I will want to use in my design. Okay, so now that I have cut out each of the designs, I will go ahead and take the backing off of each one and place it down onto my tin board. Once I have done that, I will use a rub-on transfer tool and apply each of the decorations to the board. Okay, so now we're ready to add on the days of the week onto the memo board. So what I'm doing here is I'm just using my paint marker to write out each of the days of the week. Okay, so now we're ready to add on the clothespins. So what I'm doing here is I'll just take some of my hot glue and I will apply the hot glue on the back of the clothespin, and I will add it under each day of the week onto the board. Okay, so this part is optional. I decided to add on some stickers onto my tin board. So instead of placing them straight onto the tin board, I'm actually going to remove the back of each of the stickers that I'm going to use. And in place of the sticky pad that's on the back of the sticker, I'm actually going to add a magnet onto the back of each of these so that when I add it to my board, I can easily remove it. Okay, so all that's left is to add on a strand of twine or craft string. I decided to add my craft string just in case later on I want to hang my memo board. I have this option. After you have glued on your craft string on the back side of your memo board, your project is complete. Thank you all so much for coming along and creating this craft with me.